So on the moose hide, if you have too many knife marks like that inside the hide, and you'll see them all up and through here, all through down here. When you're brain tanning the hide, making leather out of it, those could be holes in the hide. And so the more meat that's left on the hide, the better when you're fleshing. So if you look at this area here, you could tell that meat was left on there. And when it got scraped off, it came off good. But when people tried to scrape right down to the skin, like over here, you can see the difference in quality. So where the meat was left on and where they scraped right down to the hide. So for the purpose of doing hides, the more meat that you leave on when you're skinning, the better. And so it's so important you want a nice clean surface when you're scraping hide. So you can see here there is meat left on here, over here, up there. But these will turn into holes. They might turn into holes. So we're gonna have to see how this is gonna work. We might have to just turn that into rawhide. But it's a nice big hide. This was a cow.